If you're ready to unlock the full power of Asana's AI Studio, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to write effective prompts for Asana AI Studio, so you can automate your workflows, get smarter insights, and work more efficiently than ever before. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to craft prompts that truly get results and make Asana's AI work for you. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll want to do is locate the Asana AI icon. You'll find this at the very top right of your Asana workspace. It looks a bit like a small stylized brain or spark. Click on that icon. If you haven't used it before, don't worry. The interface is super intuitive and you'll be greeted by a prompt input area, ready for your instructions. Now, before we race ahead and start typing, let's slow down and talk about the core of writing an effective prompt. Something that really makes the AI useful instead of just generic. And here's where most people trip up. The magic is in clear communication. So, let's break down what works. Step 1 is to define the job. You want to start your prompt with a clear, concise statement of what you actually want the AI to do. A really simple way to do this is to begin your prompt with, "Your job is to..." For example, you might write, "Your job is to summarize customer feedback into actionable insights." This simple sentence tells the AI exactly what its end goal is. No guesswork involved. You're acting like a great manager delegating a task. The AI needs that direction to do its best work. Next up is step 2. Provide some context. Here's where you think about the bigger picture. Why are you asking for this information? Who is going to use it? The more context you give, the more relevant and tailored the AI's response will be. For instance, you might expand by saying, "This is for our product team's monthly review meeting. These insights help the team prioritize feature development." See how that shifts things? Now the AI knows the audience, your product team, and understands the purpose, informing development priorities. It's sort of like giving someone directions not just to a street, but to a specific building and room. It makes a huge difference in accuracy. After you've put together your clear job statement and supporting context, you're ready to enter your prompt. Simply type it into the AI Studio's input box. Double check for clarity. Don't be afraid to tweak your wording if it feels too vague, and hit enter. The AI will get to work right away processing your request with the clarity you've provided. If it takes a few moments, that's completely normal. Asana's AI is gathering information, analyzing input, and assembling a response crafted just for your needs. One quick tip. If the results feel a bit off at first, don't worry. Adjusting your prompt by making it either more specific or more general can really help refine the output. Think of it as giving feedback to a new teammate. The more you iterate, the better the results. And that's all there is to it. You've just leveled up your workflow by writing smarter prompts for Asana's AI Studio. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to give this video a quick like, leave any questions or your own tips down in the comments, and subscribe for more tutorials that make your work life easier. Thanks for watching and happy prompting.